The enterprise marketing AI ecosystem is currently projected to reach a valuation of $47 billion. Capital is flooding into the space. Yet, according to researchers at MIT, 95% of enterprise generative AI pilots fail to deliver any measurable business value. While the underlying models are technically sound, structural failures in data integration and governance drive this high failure rate. Two opposing forces are straining legacy data architectures. Consumers demand highly personalized experiences, while regulators simultaneously restrict how personal data can be collected and used. We see this enforced through strict regulatory frameworks like the GDPR in Europe, the CCPA in California, and the newly implemented EU AI Act. To comply with these laws, major browsers have systematically dismantled the tracking architecture that digital marketing relied on for 2 decades, rendering third-party cookies obsolete. Purchasing advanced AI software to operate on a broken, non-compliant third-party data architecture is a mathematical certainty for failure. The underlying data foundation must be rebuilt. This diagram establishes the 3-tier technology stack required to achieve personalization in a highly regulated environment. At the base layer, organizations must abandon third-party trackers and rely exclusively on their own authenticated data assets. The middle layer provides the necessary scale. It allows enterprises to securely collaborate with external partners using that owned data, without exposing the raw information to anyone. The top layer is the autonomous execution engine. This replaces manual marketing workflows with AI models that act directly on the data. Encasing all 3 layers is the governance shield. This ensures every data flow and algorithmic decision complies continuously with global privacy laws. Over the next few minutes, we will deconstruct the mechanics of building this exact architecture. Implementing this 3-layer framework is the only proven method to close the AI ROI gap while operating within global privacy laws. The foundation of this stack requires a complete transition away from third-party data brokers. Those sources carry immense legal risk and deteriorating accuracy. The replacement is first-party data. This is the behavioral information a customer leaves behind while interacting with your own channels, their click-through rates, session lengths, and purchase history. To add deeper context, systems must also capture zero-party data. Zero-party data is explicit information a customer intentionally hands over to the brand. This includes direct survey answers, interactive quiz results, and inputs from user preference centers. Because the user consents directly to this collection, first and zero-party datasets offer superior accuracy and carry an unbroken chain of legal compliance. But relying exclusively on owned data presents a severe limitation. It lacks the scale required for programmatic advertising. A brand has high-quality data on its existing customers, but matching that data against a major publisher's audience to find new prospects without violating data sharing laws is a massive logistical hurdle. Owned data is legally secure, but functionally isolated. Without a secure bridge to external networks, it cannot be scaled. To scale owned data safely, the middle layer utilizes a data cleanroom. This neutral vault allows organizations to collaborate on sensitive datasets without seeing each other's raw data. Both the brand and publisher stream their data into the vault, retaining total administrative control. Processing is handled by privacy-enhancing technologies. They utilize differential privacy, querying overlapping data and scrambling identities so individual users remain anonymous. The brand receives a privacy-compliant targeting signal to reach ideal profiles without extracting any personally identifiable information. We can observe this execution in the market through a recent partnership between Booking.com and Snap, powered by Snowflake's data cleanroom technology. Booking.com matched transaction data against ad exposure within the cleanroom to measure the actual performance of their campaigns on Snapchat. The implementation increased Booking.com's confidence in their campaign attribution from under 20% to 99%. Data cleanrooms are currently the only legally viable protocol for scaling audience targeting across the modern privacy-first web. Once the cleanroom generates those targeting insights, the top layer of the stack takes over, the AI execution engine. Looking at the AI marketing maturity curve, most organizations operate in the experimentation phase, using generative AI for basic content. These tools require continuous human direction. The top layer of the privacy-first stack instead utilizes Agentic AI. An AI agent possesses the capability to perceive its environmental conditions, formulate a sequence of objectives, and execute complex multi-step workflows. The critical differentiator is autonomy. Agentic systems ingest data from the cleanroom to optimize programmatic bids and personalize user journeys in real time. They do this continuously, without waiting for human approval on routine decisions. The market clearly reflects this utility. The autonomous AI agent sector is currently expanding at a 55% compound annual growth rate. Measurable enterprise ROI is driven by the continuous autonomous optimization executed by Agentic AI, rather than isolated manual outputs. Deploying autonomous agents directly onto proprietary customer data introduces severe legal liability if left unconstrained. Operating systems capable of independent decision-making trigger strict requirements under legislation like the California Consumer Privacy Act and the EU AI Act. To mitigate this, the entire stack must be wrapped in a governance framework anchored by the principle of data minimization. Data minimization hard codes restrictions directly into the stack. It forces the AI to process only the exact data required for its immediate function, preventing the agent from autonomously exploiting unauthorized databases. Embedding a trust arc-aligned governance framework is a structural necessity. It ensures the agents can act independently without executing actions that trigger devastating regulatory audits. When fully assembled, this integrated three-layer architecture converts the traditional sales funnel into a high-speed, automated revenue engine. At the awareness stage, AI agents extract privacy-safe insights from the data cleanroom. They use these coordinates to autonomously discover and bid on highly predictive audiences. As those users enter the consideration stage, the agent pulls from the brand's zero-party data reserves, dynamically generating and serving content tailored to the user's explicit preferences. At the decision stage, the system monitors behavioral signals in real time, executing pricing adjustments and deploying dynamic offers at the exact moment necessary to minimize cart abandonment. Finally, at the retention stage, the agent runs predictive churn models. If the data indicates a user is likely to cancel their service, the system deploys targeted interventions before the departure occurs. The privacy-first AI stack takes disparate compliance hurdles and unifies them into a frictionless, automated execution system. Agentic AI transitions the marketing department away from manual task execution and toward higher-level functions. The standard of human-AI collaboration moves the professional role into strategic orchestration and ethical oversight. Over the next decade, enterprise dominance belongs to organizations that abandon legacy tracking systems and build architectures that are compliant, collaborative, and autonomous.